Jasmine. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel where I talk about my life, some self-help, advice, and now spiritual guidance, and we'll get into that later. So make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and to join along with me. So first things first, where have I been? I know I haven't posted in a while, and I feel like I'm really okay with it because I've been prioritizing myself. So round of applause for that. And honestly, I've just been busy with life as well, like homeschooling on top of work, on top of just being a mom, rugby practices, my son plays rugby. So yeah, I've just been prioritizing my mind, body, and really honestly my soul, and it's been going really great. I feel like mentally, physically, just overall I've gotten a lot better throughout all of 2021, especially the last half, and I'm very grateful for it. And I think now it's really time to jump back into my life as the new version of myself, because I feel like I've really reinvented myself last year, and for the year of 2022 I feel like things are going to be a lot smoother since I have my priorities, my boundaries, my self-love really intact. And honestly, I wish that for all of you who are watching, and I really hope that you guys are prioritizing yourself, your needs, your wants, your body, spirit, and your mind as well. And if you want a video on that, on how to do that, I can definitely make another video. Just pop a comment in the comment section and I will definitely do that for you, because that is what my channel is about. And honestly, on top of all of that, I also went through a spiritual awakening last year, which I'm not gonna get into too many details. I'll probably do a story time on that later, so watch out for that. And honestly, the gist of it is that I went through a second spiritual awakening. If you didn't know, you can go through multiple in your life. It doesn't have to be one and done. So what I did was I went to a class and I found out that I could talk to spirits that have passed on, that I can see spirits, which is the reason that I joined the class, because I was meditating and I started seeing a bunch of stuff every day. So I went to the class and I found out a lot more about myself, and the lady actually told me, you're psychic, you're a psychic medium, that's why these things happen to you. But anyways, that's a story time for a different video, my spiritual awakening. And like I said, it's a new me, cliche, I know, new me, new year, and honestly I'm really happy about myself. I feel like a lot of people have been going through a lot of changes, especially these past couple of years since 2020. I feel like 2020 was really like a tower moment, and if you don't know what that means, it basically just means like stuff is breaking down and it's just chaos. But it's beautiful because once stuff breaks down, it makes room for all new things, which is really just a beautiful thing. And on to my next thing I want to talk about, my plans for 2021 regarding this channel and regarding my life, is to post a monthly video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also to follow my heart, and when I say that I mean really try to be healthy in posting content, which is a huge theme I've been running into. A lot of content creators run into these workaholic modes, and they're like just really are hard on themselves. on posting every day, and you have Instagram, and you have Facebook, which I don't use really, and you have TikTok now, and then you have YouTube, and you have to film all these things all the time and post consistently, and it's really unhealthy for a content creator to do all of that on their own, which is what I do. It's just me right now. I don't have an assistant yet and stuff, but I just really look forward to posting consistently, but also having realistic goals that don't overwork me and stuff like that. So just be gentle with yourself, guys. Be gentle, be caring, and I want to say shoot for the moon, but also listen to your body, listen to your heart, and just do what you can when you can do it. And when it's time for a break, do not ever be ashamed in taking a break. So that's my tip of the day for you. Don't be ashamed of taking breaks. So, okay, so last thing I'm gonna leave you guys with is 5 tips on getting ready in the new year of 2022. So first tip is declutter your space, and it doesn't have to mean your whole house. It could be your room, it could be your desk, which is what I did, it could be your closet, it could be one drawer, it could be your sock drawer. Anything you feel like needs a little more love and attention in your home, in your space. It could even be your car, I don't know. Declutter your space, and you could buy more organizing things for your space, but honestly, even with just taking away what is not serving you and leaving the most important things, is really helpful in just feeling fresh and organized and new. And that's a really great feeling for the new year of 2022. And I just did that with my desk, and I put away all my Christmas decorations, and I really just left things very intentional. And I just have a few pieces that I really love, and it's really beautiful to see when things are just fresh and clear. So that's my first tip for the new year. My second tip is to get organized. Organize your life inside of a planner. If you don't like planners, I would say just make a list of things you want to do every day. This is my planner from last year, and it's very full of all the things, mainly budgets from last year. And this is from Erin Condren. I really love her planners. They're like, they have everything you need in here, but I didn't really like the design of the inside and the font and stuff. So I was looking at other planners, and I figured eventually that the planner I really want to try, this is my new planner for 2022. And it has all the days, it has goals, it has a lot of stuff, and I'll link it down below if you want to look into that. iPad, very slim. And here's my vision board that I made. I didn't even have to print anything out, I just copy and paste. But yeah, I really love it. And look, this is on my vision board right here, these vases that I really love, and look what I have. Wow. It just goes to show that if you write things down, if you're intentional about it, it can really come true in your life. Because, you know, writing down things is very powerful, whether digital or not digital. So that was tip number 2. Organize and prioritize your life, whether that's in a planner, digital, paper planner or even a weekly planner like this one I just have on my desk. It's like a weekly Monday through Sunday, all blank, and you have a to-do list right there. This is really simple and really easy, something like you could just look out every week to keep your life organized. So that's my tip number 2. Tip number 3 is make a to-do list of things you didn't get to do last year that you would like to do next year going into 2022. So for me, last year I really wanted to get portraits done of my family, me and my son, and I didn't get to do it last year because it was just a crazy year. But this year I really think I could do that. So make a list of things that you didn't do last year that you really want to implement or get done this year, or even just start working towards or saving towards. My tip number 4, this is a big one, is to make goals for 2022, the new year. And when I say goals, I mean in all aspects of your life. And I use this template from Dave Ramsey. He has 7 categories in life that you need to make New Year's resolutions for. And I'm just gonna read out the categories. So first category is spiritual, whether that means going to church, meditating, whatever you like, waking up with the sunrise, whatever you feel is spiritual to you, spiritual goal. Second category is physical, which is your body, your health, your fitness, whatever that is, a physical goal. Third is a goal for your mind, so whether that's educational, whether that's reading 1 book a month, or enhancing your memory, whatever has to do with your mind, or even being more positive in your mind, setting boundaries, whatever you want to do with your mind. Honestly, everything starts with your mind, so that's really important. Fourth category is financial, making a financial goal, whether that's making a budget, saving more money, making more money, or getting rid of debt, whatever you want to do that is financial, or even investing too, that is a financial goal. And then another category, this is the 5th category, is social, and that means like hanging out with friends, going to more social gatherings. It can also mean just putting yourself out there, making more connections. And for me personally, I use it, I'm very introverted, so I use it as social, as in social media. Like I want to post more, do more, and just be more flexible in what I do. So that's what I use it for. And then your 6th category is your career. So obviously you know what career is, whether that's like, you know, getting your bachelor's, or starting a small business, or whatever you want that is a career goal for you. I don't care how big it is, you can make little steps to get to the big picture, and that is a career goal. So, and then the last, and I feel like most important goal, is family. A family goal that you have, whether that's just spending more time with your family, saving up to go see family, whether that's playing more board games on Friday nights, like having a game night for family, or honestly whatever you want that's within your family, you can make a goal for. So those are 7 goals to make for the new year, and I'll list them all here so you can screenshot it. 7 goals for the new year. And yeah, and my 5th and final tip to get ready for the new year, this is a fun one, is to envision your highest, best self in 2022. Your best, absolute best self in 2022. Envision who they are, what they do, what they've done, and what they stand for, and what their life is. Envision your highest and best self and write it down. As detailed as you want to be, write down what your highest and best self is doing for 2022. If you could do anything, what is your highest self doing? And then just imagine you are that. And honestly, don't limit yourself ever, because anything is possible and this is your life, so why not? And with that, I'm leaving you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching throughout this whole video. I really appreciate you, and I'm so grateful for this fresh start. And I look forward to seeing more of you, and tell me what your higher self looks like in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.